How do you like that, man?
Good.
Do you reckon you can ride it?
I'll fix what else. My helmet's on there.
What sort of bike is it?
What is it?
YZ what?
It turns around the wheels.
Is it a YZ?
Yeah.
Do you think you can ride that?
Yeah. It turns the key on.
Is it a 4-stroke or a 2-stroke?
Say. Say.
4-stroke?
No, it's not full straight. It's
Is it a 2-stroke?
no, it's a 5.
Oh, okay. YZ.
It's going in there.
Where are you going to go riding?
Down the big beach.
You're going to go down. What about the hills?
Yeah.
It's too dusty.
No, it's not too dusty.
Oh.
I'll get dust on your helmet there. Then we go riding. Then you're there. Then dust on your head.
Stop it! Can you do wheelies?
Sorry.
Do you reckon you can do whips?
Yeah.
Can you do backflips?
What's like that?
Can you backflip?
Sorry.
Can you do backflips?
Yes. Is that what turned on the key?
Start it. I want to hear it.
Yep.
Awesome.